Today we're here to launch the BDO Arrow experience. Registrations are now open for the event on the 19th of June. It's a wonderful event that's helping raise funds for much needed funds for breast cancer patients in FNQ. Last year we were able to raise over $100,000 to speed up the process of test results for patients, and this year we're aiming to raise over $120,000 for breast cancer and melanoma diagnostic equipment. It's a wonderful event with two levels, so we've got level 1 and level 2, and that caters to different fitness levels. It's a brilliant event that's about getting outside, having fun and raising much needed funds for our breast cancer patients in FNQ. You can do it in groups or as an individual. It's also a really wonderful event to do as a family because we don't have an age cap. The only thing is if you're under 18, an adult needs to be present. So it's, like I said, there's multiple levels there for all different fitness levels. So we encourage everyone to come and get involved to help raise funds. We all know someone that's been affected by breast cancer, and this event is a way for everyone to be able to come together and help raise that funds for the community.
Yeah, well, Mum, she refused for many years to get a mammogram. She turned 62 a couple of years ago and decided to get one done. Previously to that, she'd completely refused. I think family members told her a few horror stories, and so she really did not want to get one done at all. So she came for her first mammogram 2 years ago when she was 62, and she came for her first subsequent mammogram about a month or two ago. So small changes were detected from that first mammogram to this mammogram, and obviously she came back for assessment and had those investigations done, and from that she was diagnosed. Well, I guess if Mum hadn't have come for that first mammogram, she certainly wouldn't have come for the second one, and who knows what the outcome would have been if she hadn't come for her screening. The cancer could have been further along that was detected, like her treatment options might not have been as much. So I'm pretty happy with the fact that I was able to talk her through the procedure and, you know, answer any questions she had so that she felt comfortable getting a mammogram. And like most ladies that come into breast screen, they, you know, for their first mammogram, walk out and kind of say it wasn't as worse as they were expecting, you know.
In fact, it's so fantastic. It's made the ladies that got called back for assessment were still able to pursue when our other piece of equipment broke down. So that meant that we didn't have to cancel ladies, which was very important because obviously it's very stressful when we call ladies back. So we don't want any delay at all. So we was able to still pursue them within the normal time frame, which was fantastic. That was really why we wanted to get the extra machine. It's a normal mammo machine into the 3D, as Tani said, and basically it's like a CT of the breast, so it can slice up the breast from like millimetre by millimetre, so you're better able to differentiate normal tissue to something that's a little bit more concerning, so it's more accurate in the diagnosis.
At BDO, we're really excited to be joining the Arrow experience this year. As a local firm, it's important to us to be able to support local organisations, and in particular Breast Screen is a very worthwhile cause close to many of our hearts. So BDO will be putting many teams together. We're currently canvassing our team, and we see it as a great opportunity to have some practice runs in the lead up to the event as well.